Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and as you can see here, I made over $3,000. Okay, so guys, I made this over $3,000 from just $25. Okay, and this is reoccurring commission, guys. So it means even if I don't work anymore on this program, I'm still gonna get paid this commission. So if I show you this system, let me go ahead and show you. So if I scroll here, you will see that this program cost only $25. As you can see here, total $25. So I made this $3,000 in reoccurring commission from only $25, guys. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you other people are also making these big commissions other than me. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this person by the name of Mitch, he made $4,000 in reoccurring commission. So the company pays you every Thursday. Okay, so he has made over $4,000. Okay, and if I show you the next person, here you can see this person by the name of Coach, he made $5,000. Okay, and then this is me again. I made over $3,000. So basically guys, let me go to the back office of this program. Okay, here you can see this is the back office of the program, and the first step here you can see welcome, start here, join our community. So what this program is, guys, okay, basically let me show you here. So this program also teaches you how to promote the system, like get traffic free. Okay, get traffic paid. So it teaches you paid traffic, free traffic, both. Then here you can see get coaching live. So here it provides live coaching call. Okay, so basically what you get for the $25 is a training dashboard plus a landing page builder. So as you can see here, this is a landing page builder, guys. Let me just edit it. Okay, and I'm gonna click save here. So guys, basically this is a landing page builder that you get for $25. As you can see, this is a landing page builder, right? And here if I show you, let me go ahead and let me click on this one. So this is another landing page, right? So basically guys, this is what you get for the $25, a landing page builder software and a training dashboard. So now the question is how you can get started on this system. Okay, and how you can make this big $3,000 commission or the $4,000 commission. So guys, the first step that you need to do is step one, sign up on the link below. So what I will do, guys, I will put the link of this system below this video. The first step is go ahead and create your account on this system, and the step number two is message me on Facebook saying you signed up on HBA program. So basically guys, this program is called HBA. Okay, it's called Home Business Academy. As you can see here, Home Business Academy. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna message me on Facebook and you will say that you signed up on the HBA program, and I will send you my private training on how to market the program for free. Okay, so I have private training where I show step by step how you can market the program, how you can get everything set up. Okay, so these are the two steps, guys, that you need to follow if you wanna make over $3,000. Okay, in reoccurring commission every single month from just $25. So go ahead, guys, do these two steps. Okay, and see you inside.